Wave. Say hello. Oh, yeah.
Go Patriots!
Wave. Say hello. Hey.
Steelers fans.
Boo.
Looking at the enemy, we can load and cap the gun.
Okay.
So it's ready for fire. And sometimes you shoot in the dark. So line up your sights and just give it an easy squeeze. High is high, low is low. Middle is good.
You hit it.
No way.
You hit it, Mikey. All right. Cooking hot dogs over the fire. So, Mary Lou, what's the deal? You're cooking. Are you really like hot dogs, or you have a lot of friends?
I have friends.
You have friends.
Yep, sorry, we're okay.
Redneck bowling. Go ahead, Angela. Oh, bounced straight over.
We did a couple ourselves. Nothing here, I couldn't get anything here. I had a good many of them from South Africa. The Indian I bought in Germany, but it was just a bare engine. It had in the block. We learned about the common paper. Look out. He said, well, I wanted to figure out how to
Aw.
So I got there about
That's the chicken. You can buy it by the cooler full?
Or the heater full.
you know what?
So he transferred some language.
A wonderful party on, and this is just a little something of appreciation from the group to you.
Holy smokes!
You're gonna do a lot of smoke.
It's enough. It's enough. It's enough powder to blow up half of Hollidaysburg.
You load that shell into in the back of the case or the hole with a baffle. So the flame will go in, push the baffle, and then we'll close again. And right here where the friction primer goes, the spark will go down through that hole and out there to ignite the gun. So the first shell close the lock.
Wow.
Basically, what happens is we put this, line this up dead center on the gun, and line it with the vent. We now have a plane that is lined up with the line of bore.
I knew taking geometry would come in here.
So chamber, usually level it out a little bit.
Putting the powder in. Doesn't look like a real lot of powder.
No, we're shooting this a 1/12 of the distance that it's meant to be shot at. And now I want no one in front. As the balls go. You'd get a face full of powder if it went off. And granted, we haven't even fired the gun. The gun's dead cold, so that's even a non-issue, but it's just a rule that we don't violate. Okay, balls going in.
Yep. Ooh, just like that.
Gun's loaded. Fire. Fire. Okay, so we're good. Fire. Okay, so we're good.
Gordon, that is quite a talent. Uh-oh. Wow. Butter and popcorn salt.
Yeah, don't get popcorn salt that has any flavoring. You want just the plain popcorn salt. Reaches 300 degrees. The baking soda and the butter goes in, and it gets stirred in immediately. You'll see this will triple or quadruple in volume, and it's building foam within it. And when it foams up, you got to get it out and get it on the trays to cool before you lose the bubbles, because it's the bubbles that make the stuff crunchy instead of hard like a brick.
Yep.
And they turned it.
It's an old Winnebago.
It slammed like you start it up, and then the airbags lift the whole thing up.
Wow. That'd be cool even to tote, right? Like you going down the road.
Yep.
I like
300.
that one.
Okay.
The whole truck.
Here goes the butter.
bent.
This is the fast part, right?
The whole truck is bent.
That's may not see that as being
Look at the strap going over top. That one. You saw that one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you saw that thing on demand
So where it starts bubbling, huh?
the other day.
Be ready, you guys. It's coming over.
It's like, can
See how it stops sizzling?
once.
Here we go.
Because your trucks are different, they have to do things differently too.
Yeah, they're all edible once.
Look how good you're able to clean the pan.
You spread.
The pan must have been too hot. It stuck to the pan I was trying to do that.
So it's in a race. You're in a race.